Today, I'm revealing these 3 powerful drinks that work together to clear your leg arteries and restore healthy blood flow. Your legs are trying to tell you something important, and most people over 60 are missing the warning signs completely. Those heavy, tired legs, the cramping at night. But what if 3 simple and cheap drinks could change everything, starting with your very next meal? As a health researcher who's studied circulation disorders for over 18 years, I've seen these 3 drinks help hundreds of seniors avoid serious leg complications. And the most powerful one has been used by Mediterranean cultures for over 3,000 years, but Americans are just discovering its incredible benefits. But I have to tell you, there's a specific order to drink these 3 beverages that creates what researchers call the circulation cascade. Most people get the timing completely wrong, but when you get it right, some notice improvements in just 72 hours. Let's start with the first drink, but this one comes with a warning that could save your life. Drink number 1, pomegranate. Juice with timing twist. Pure pomegranate juice, consumed at the right time of day, can increase blood flow to your legs by up to 35% within just 2 weeks, while helping to dissolve the plaque that's been building in your arteries for decades. Reason why it works. Pomegranates contain something called punicalagins, the most powerful antioxidants found in any fruit. These compounds literally scrub your artery walls clean from the inside, while nitrates in the juice cause your blood vessels to relax and widen. Think of it as having a tiny cleaning crew working inside your arteries 24 hours a day. Here's what changes everything. Drink 4 ounces of pure pomegranate juice exactly 30 minutes before your largest meal of the day. This timing allows the nitrates to peak just as you're digesting food, maximizing absorption and effectiveness. Most people drink it randomly, which cuts the benefits in half. How to use? Choose 100% pomegranate juice with no added sugars. If it's too tart, dilute it with an equal amount of water. Never drink it on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. The concentrated antioxidants can cause digestive upset. The sweet spot is that 30-minute window before your main meal. If you're on blood thinners like warfarin, pomegranate juice can enhance their effects. Start with just 2 ounces and monitor with your doctor. People with diabetes should choose varieties specifically labeled as low sugar or dilute with water. I worked with James, a 68-year-old retired electrician from Michigan, whose legs were so heavy he could barely make it through grocery shopping. His wife had to drive him everywhere. After just 3 weeks of timed pomegranate juice, he walked 2 miles at the local mall and called me in tears of joy. He said it felt like getting his independence back. Now, if pomegranate juice cleans your arteries from the inside, this next drink works like a natural pump, actually helping push blood through those newly cleaned vessels. Before we dive in, tell me where you're watching from today. Drop your city and country in the comments. I'm curious to see how many of you already have access to these circulation-boosting drinks in your local stores. Additionally, I've created a free ebook with 68 high-protein recipes and a complete meal plan for rebuilding muscle in seniors that you can download using the link in the first comment. Drink number 2, green tea, the temperature protocol. Green tea, when prepared using the ancient Japanese temperature method, releases compounds that strengthen your blood vessel walls and can reduce leg swelling by up to 40% while preventing dangerous blood clots. Reason: why it works. Green tea contains catechins, particularly EGCG, which act like natural blood thinners while strengthening capillary walls. But here's the secret most people miss. Brewing temperature determines everything. Too hot, and you destroy the delicate compounds. Too cool, and they never activate. The optimal brewing temperature is exactly 175 degrees Fahrenheit, not boiling water. Steep for precisely 3 minutes, no longer. This releases maximum catechins while avoiding the bitter tannins that can actually constrict blood vessels. Ancient Japanese tea masters knew this centuries ago. How to use. Use a kitchen thermometer until you can judge the temperature by sight. Look for tiny bubbles forming on the bottom of the pot, just before steam appears. Steep loose-leaf green tea or high-quality tea bags. Drink 1 cup mid-morning and another mid-afternoon, never within 2 hours of bedtime. Green tea contains caffeine, though less than coffee. If you're sensitive, switch to decaffeinated versions after 2 p.m. People with iron deficiency should drink green tea between meals, not with food, as it can inhibit iron absorption. Maria, a 72-year-old grandmother from Arizona, came to me with such severe leg swelling she couldn't wear her wedding ring because her fingers were also affected. The circulation problems were affecting her whole body. After implementing the temperature protocol with green tea, Her swelling reduced so dramatically that her doctor asked what medication she was taking. When she told him it was just properly brewed tea, he started recommending it to other patients. These first two drinks focus on cleaning and strengthening, but this final drink is the most powerful circulation booster I've ever encountered, and it comes with a surprising twist that most people never expect. Drink number 3, Beetroot Juice, the nitrate bomb. Fresh beetroot juice contains more circulation-boosting nitrates than any other natural source, capable of increasing blood flow to your extremities by up to 50% and reducing blood pressure within hours of consumption. Reason why it works. Beetroot is nature's most concentrated source of dietary nitrates. When you consume them, your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide, which is like a master key that opens up your blood vessels. It's the same compound that expensive prescription medications try to mimic, but beetroot does it naturally and safely. Here's what shocked me. You should never brush your teeth for at least 1 hour after drinking beetroot juice. The bacteria in your mouth are actually essential for converting nitrates to nitric oxide. Mouthwash and toothpaste kill these beneficial bacteria, cutting the circulation benefits by up to 80%. How to use. Drink 4 ounces of fresh beetroot juice on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. If you don't have a juicer, look for cold-pressed beetroot juice with no additives. You can also blend cooked beets with a little water. The effects peak about 2 to 3 hours after consumption. Beetroot juice will turn your urine pink or red. This is completely normal and harmless. People with kidney stones should avoid beetroot due to its oxalate content. Start with 2 ounces if you have a sensitive stomach, as the concentrated nitrates can cause mild digestive upset initially. John, a 69-year-old from Oregon, had such poor circulation that his feet were always ice cold, even wearing thick socks in summer. His doctor was concerned about potential complications. After adding beetroot juice to his morning routine, within 10 days his feet felt warm for the first time in years. His wife said it was like a miracle. 6 months later, his circulation tests came back completely normal. The Circulation Cascade Protocol. Now, here's how to combine all 3 drinks for maximum impact. This is what I call the Circulation Cascade Protocol, and the timing is crucial. Morning, 6 to 7 a.m. Start with 4 ounces of beetroot juice on an empty stomach. Wait at least 1 hour before brushing teeth. Mid-morning, 9-10 a.m. Have your first cup of properly brewed green tea using the 175-degree temperature method. Pre-lunch, 30 minutes before your largest meal, drink 4 ounces of pomegranate juice to prepare your system for optimal nutrient absorption. Mid-afternoon, 2 to 3 p.m. Second cup of green tea to maintain circulation benefits throughout the day. This sequence creates a cascading effect where each drink enhances the others. The beetroot opens your vessels, the green tea strengthens them, and the pomegranate cleans them. Together, they create circulation improvements that none could achieve alone. I know some of you might be thinking, this sounds too simple, or what about my medications? Let me address the most common concerns. First, these are foods, not medicines, but they are powerful foods. If you're on blood pressure medications, blood thinners, or diabetes medications, you need to monitor more closely because these drinks can enhance your medication's effects. That's actually a good thing, but your doctor needs to know. Second, some people worry about the sugar in pomegranate juice. The natural sugars are balanced by fiber and antioxidants that actually help regulate blood sugar. But if you're diabetic, start with smaller amounts and monitor your levels. What to expect? The realistic timeline. Let me give you realistic expectations based on what I've observed with hundreds of people. Days 1 to 3. You might notice warmer hands and feet, especially after the beetroot juice. Some people feel a slight energy boost. Week 1, many people report less leg fatigue by the end of the first week. You might notice you can walk further without discomfort. Weeks 2 to 3. This is when people typically see reduction in leg swelling, less cramping at night, and improved color in their legs and feet. Month 1 and beyond. Sustained improvements in circulation, better wound healing if you have any cuts or sores, and overall improved energy and mobility. Remember, circulation problems developed over years or decades. While some people see quick improvements, lasting change takes consistency and patience. Safety and interactions. Before starting this protocol, especially if you have cardiovascular conditions or take medications, please consult your healthcare provider. These drinks can interact with certain medications. Blood thinners. All 3 drinks can enhance blood thinning effects. Monitor closely. Blood pressure medications. These drinks may lower blood pressure, requiring medication adjustments. Diabetes medications. The natural sugars in circulation improvements may affect blood sugar control. This isn't medical treatment, it's nutritional support. Work with your doctor to integrate these safely into your health plan. The lifestyle connection. Good circulation isn't just about avoiding problems, it's about reclaiming your active life. When blood flows freely to your legs, you can walk further, stand longer, and participate in activities you might have given up. These drinks work best as part of a circulation-friendly lifestyle. Simple daily walks, elevating your legs when resting, staying hydrated, and avoiding prolonged sitting all support healthy blood flow. Think of these 3 drinks as your daily circulation insurance policy. They're working 24/7 to keep your blood flowing smoothly and your legs healthy. Your circulation doesn't have to be another limitation of aging. Every day you choose to nourish your blood vessels is a day you're investing in your mobility and independence. To recap, fresh beetroot juice first thing in the morning for maximum nitric oxide production. Green tea brewed at exactly 175 degrees to strengthen your vessels. And pomegranate juice 30 minutes before your main meal to clean your arteries from the inside. The key is consistency and proper timing. These aren't just drinks, they're your daily circulation therapy. Which of these 3 circulation drinks will you start with tomorrow? And tell me in the comments, have you noticed any warning signs that your circulation might need support? I read every comment and often reply personally. If this helped you understand circulation better, you'll want to see my video on the 5 warning signs of poor leg circulation that most people ignore until it's too late. The link is in the description. Remember, small daily choices create life-changing results. Here's to keeping your blood flowing strong.